Hello everyone, today I'm going to be showing you how to use Rakuten. This is a free service that lets you earn cash back by shopping through their website or browser extension. Now after you click my referral link, it's going to take you to this page. And since you used my link, you'll be able to get a $50 bonus when you spend $50. Now depending on when you watch this video, in the future, it could be a different amount. Now the first thing to do is make your account, and you can sign up with your email, Google, Facebook, or Apple. I already made my account, so I'm going to go on to that. After you sign up, it's going to take you to the home screen. And now the next thing you need to do is link your card. So you just go over your name, go down to linked credit cards. You can either add your credit card or your debit card. And then you just press add card and fill out all of your card information. And then add card. Now after your card's linked, now you can check out all the deals. Over here is extra cash back. Temu has 12% cash back. Nike's got 9. And here's a bunch of other stores with extra cash back. If you want to buy something in store, you can click the in-store button over here. You just click add. And now when you go into the store and purchase something, it'll be linked to your card. Don't put your PIN in online or in store. If it's in store, press the circle bypass button to complete the payment, and you'll be able to get your cash back. But I'm going to show you how to do it online. So when you make a purchase from one of these stores, you're going to get your referral bonus plus the percentage back at the store. So let's check out Nike. I'm going to click on the Nike store, and then it shows 9% cash back activated at Nike. And then it's going to take us to the official Nike store, where we can see at the top right it says 9% cash back activated. Save with Rakuten coupons and cashback. And then we can see that the Rakuten symbol is on the website, so we know we have cashback activated. Let's check out something on the site. I like this dude. He's drying his clothes while he's still wearing them. I'm gonna press shop, and let's check out this purple shoe. Rakuten is purple. So we just click over here. We see maybe our size we want to get added to the bag. There we go. We can view the bag. This is the item that we wanted, and we have cashback activated here. After we check out, we should get an email from Rakuten saying that we earned cash back. And since this item is over $50, you would also get your $50 bonus. When you go to checkout, don't use your PIN because the cashback won't work. Make sure to click the green check mark instead. Usually it only asks you to use your PIN if you're purchasing something for in-store pickup. And then next to your name, you should be able to see how much cash back you have. Right now, it doesn't show any amount for me because it resets after a month or so. But if I click my account, over here, it shows I have $122.33 in lifetime cash back. There you go. Now you know how to shop with Rakuten. I hope you enjoy getting your cash back. And if you enjoyed the video, make sure you smash that like button. And if you haven't already, subscribe and turn on bell notifications for more awesome videos.